This Quran Chowk is basically named cultural roundabout. Here is a roundabout. If you see, this is a roundabout. There are some beautiful buildings. This is a masjid called Ahmad bin Hanbal Rahmatullah Alayh Masjid. And then you see there is a beautiful picture that is ruler's building. So this was the building which was built in 1987. So after that, then this cultural roundabout was built. And if you see in front, this is Sharjah Museum. Okay. And if you further move on this roundabout, there is a building, very beautiful building. If you see, this building is named as Sharjah Library. So a lot of books of Islamic history are over there, and it is one of the largest and biggest library for Islamic history. And if you see that road, which is blocked by this one, signal lights are on, it is coming from Sharjah airport. So if I further move, this is Quran. One ayat is written over there, which is plated with gold. In back of this Quran